I don't even know what the appropriate amount is, but it's not my hair, so I don't care. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. I told you guys that I was going to flat iron this wig, but before we get started, this video is sponsored by Google. Yes, it's very exciting, and let's get started because I've been waiting for this. For those of you who are not familiar with this wig, this is the Feeling Courageous wig by Her Given Hair. It's in a 4B, 4C texture, and I'm going to start with Gabrielle Union's Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. I've been testing her products for a few months now, and I look forward to giving you a proper review. And I'm moving on to the Flawless by GU 3-minute restoring conditioner to soften the hair and make it easier for me to detangle. As much as I love washing my wigs on camera, I won't take up too much of your time because we have bigger fish to fry. I'm going to let the wig cap dry on my wig drying head while I do my makeup because I don't want to blow dry soaking wet hair on a wet wig cap. Say that 5 times fast. Okay, I'm back and it's time to straighten this hair. We are going to blow dry in medium-sized sections. And where are my clips? My heat protection of choice is the Shine Enhancing Heat Protection Spray, also by Gabrielle Union. It's the only one I have, so I don't really have a choice. And I'm just going to spray a few pumps on the section. Honestly, I don't even know what the appropriate amount is, but it's not my hair, so I don't care. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. The hair got a little bit dry, so I'll just spray it. That was a lot. I'm going to use my Kiss blow dryer. I'm going to use the comb attachment because I am handicapped when it comes to blow drying hair. I can't use a paddle brush. I can't use a round brush. I am just not skilled in that area. So I'm just going to take the easy way out. I feel like I have a good system going now. I'm starting with my Pattern Beauty spray mist bottle, getting the section nice and wet, and then following up with the Shine Enhancing Heat Protection Spray. Then working the products in nicely, brushing it out with my paddle brush, and in smaller sections, blowing it out. I stretch it out and blow over the length of the hair, then start tackling the ends and inch up as I blow dry the hair. After I finish all the mini sections, I put it in a bantu knot so that I'm done and it's out of the way and I can move on to the next. Blowout is done and I'm just going to let this down so you can see what the hair looks like. The flat iron that I'm using is the Remington Pro Pearl Ceramic Flat Iron, and I've already heated it up to 450 degrees. What I'm going to do is flat iron in small sections. I'm going to use the comb chase method because the problem that I have with this particular hair is it's very difficult to get to the roots. So I need to be able to get in there and straighten it from roots to the ends. Like it's really knotted and tangled at the roots. So this is what I need to do, and it's going to take a while, but it's well worth it. It flat irons beautifully. 2.5 hours later, here is the wig, and I'm ready to try her on and see what she looks like. I'm gonna use some Fenty powder in my part area. Looks pretty good already. I feel like the hair looks good right now. So what I'm gonna do is trim the hair. I did notice while I was straightening the hair that the ends just look like split ends. So I'm gonna have to trim that and then continue to style it how I feel. So straightening my hair was a success and I'm happy about that. I really like how this color looks. I might do a roller set or wand curls later on. I'm not entirely sure. I did wear it 3 days in a row and the humidity hit, so I lightly pressed it again because all it did was get a little frizzy up top. Most of it was still fine, and yeah, this is what I'm looking like. Alright, this is the look for now. I love the fluffy curls. They'll probably last 3 days before I need a touch-up because that seems to be the theme with this hair. After 3 days, the humidity is too much to bear. But I'm going to play with the hair again and I'll show you guys snippets of what I've been up to leading up to the point when I'm going to revert the hair so that you can see if it will go back to its natural or fake natural state. So thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you Google for sponsoring this video. I can't wait to talk to you soon, but until then, please take care of yourselves. Bye.